Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to animate a dance character in Blender. So let's get started. Before we start, there are add-ons that we need to install to enable us to do that. So uh, go to Diffeomorphic Addon version 2 4.2.1 release. Depending on the time you're watching this tutorial, the version can change. So you click here and you download from here. That's important. So you just click here, download, and you download. I've already downloaded it, so don't need to download again. Then you follow these steps there, how to install it. But I'm going to walk you through how to install it. It might be going through this might be a bit uh, boring for you, but it's good you go through to know the details about how to do it. So once you've downloaded it, you you extract. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, you extract. Uh, mm, extract or you extract the add-on to install it. So here's the extraction. Yes. So now what you're going to do is you can see there is this file to that studio. To that studio, you are going to copy this one to that studio. So let's you can here copy. You can copy for now. You can copy. Then you go to that content library. Then you can search script here, script, then just right click and go browse to folder location. That is simple. Then you can move to the directory here and you paste it here. Just paste it. If you paste, all the files will be copied here. So this is the easy part. Then you can close and open again. Yes, close and open again. Okay, right now I'm using version 4.23.0.1. Now let's open our file. Let's open our file. Yes. And before okay, it's still loading. Okay, now it's done. Now, so before we can you can search through here. That's library and oh yes, my that's 3D library. My that's 3D library. Depending on where you kept the file, that's 3D library. Yes. So this is it. You click on Diffeomorphic. Then these are the add-ons that you need to install. So once you've copied it here, click on Setup menu. You can click on it. Double click. Yeah. It says menu entry for save root path already exists. So menu entry is already replacing. Okay, menu entry is created. I first copied it, so that is why I was giving me this information. So if this is the first time doing it, you won't see that. So now, whilst once you set up the menu, you can find them here. Now you can see this says uh, export save root path. Now you see save root path. This save root path. Now you can say save root path is here. Now you can see export to Blender and and export HD to Blender. So all these are here now. Now you can see that they are here. So once you are done, you need to save this scene. You need to save this scene. You need to first save the root path. Save the root path to a location. Let's say I'll choose my desktop, new folder, and that's to Blender animation. Yeah. So I just want to keep the files here. Import that part.js. So save. Yes. Now that you've done, you've just saved the path. Then you go to, oh no. Now you go to export to Blender. Export to Blender. So you just have to save the .dbz file. So I just want to save it at the z location I saved the path, so that I wouldn't get any errors. That's to Blender animation. Okay, yes. Export HD. I can do export HD, but HD conversion, no. For now, just keep it simple. So just hit export, then it will export all your files to the location. So it says gzip file saved. Now you are done. Now let's go to Blender and import the character. Okay, to import the character here, we also have to we also need to install add-on for for we need to also import the add-on here. So we need to install the add-on, Diffeomorphic add-on in Blender. So once you once we are in Blender, we need to also install add-on to enable us import the animation. So go to edit preferences and install from disk. To install from disk, click on download and search for the Diffeomorphic add-on. Import, yes. This is the new version. So the new version, install from disk. So once it's done, search for DAS importer. So it is already enabled, and this is DAS importer. The version is 4.2.1. We are going to import the character here. Now you can see DAS runtime here. Uh-huh. Yes. Now go to import das. So before we import, you can go to file, import, and das. Now we search for the das file that we saved here. We saved. Once we export, we need to also save this file. Now to import the character in Blender, we need to also save the scene in order to open in Blender. So save scene, save scene as, save scene. So we will go to desktop, desktop, Blender animation. Then we save the scene, killer in, this is just a made up name. Now we export in Blender. No, import in Blender. Diffie Blender animation. Now you can see the file here. Yes, this is it. So you can just keep all these at default. Principal shaders. So cycle, if you want to do cycle shading, so I prefer using cycle. So cycle gives a better rendering. Yes, and just keep it as simple. Detailed, apply. So just say easy. So we just import it here. Mm, yep, yep. Now this is it. This is it. This is the character. Now you can see we've imported it in Blender. We have to put animation on it. We have to animate this character. And before we animate this character also, uh, before we animate this character, let's download animation from Mixamo. So go to Mixamo. All links will be provided in the description. So you go to Mixamo. You can search for this dance. Mm, 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 mm. Yes, Ramba dancing. I don't know. This you select, or you can select any animation that you want. But for now, you're going to use this animation. So you click on download FBX. Right now, choose FBX, and without skin. Choose without skin. You don't need a skin, because the skin will just import the character, this whole body. So you just click on download. Preparing to download. So now is just downloaded. Yes. Now you're going to import in Blender. So to import the animation in Blender, you just click on the DAS runtime. Because the BVH, yes, the BVH. Load, load, load BVH or FBS file. So click on load BVH or FBS file. Then you go to download. You search for the file that you downloaded. So I have other animations here. So you just click on this. Delete FBS object. No, not delete. Use default subsample. Yeah. So just click on this one and load. Now it has been loaded. So let's click. Now you can see we've imported the animation, but it is not this rig is not following the rig that we've imported in Blender. So we just have to retarget this this bone to this one so that we can. So you just click on this, click on first click on the rig, click on this and select BVH retargets. No, click yes, retarget to active. Yeah. Oh no. So before before you can animate it, first click on the character rig and click on select press shift and select the animated rig. Yes. So you click retarget selected to active. So now you can see BVH cannot use rig because it has object oriented scaling object or let's go to pose. I don't know why I'm getting this error. Retarget selected to object oriented posing to source rig amateur. Oh, I might probably leave this. I didn't get this error. Okay, load and retarget. Okay, let's delete the hmm, and do it again. Load and retarget. Load and retarget. Let's go. Yep. Now it's done. I might probably load and retarget. So let's play animation and see. Now you can see the character is moving. So I think it stops here. It stops around 7, 71, 71. So 71. I don't know why at first it couldn't. Well, I don't know why. Okay, so the end animation is 71. So let's do 71, and now our character is animated. So this is how to animate a character in Blender. Right now, this is already pre-made animation. So in the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to make our custom mockup and animate in Blender. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.